Welcome to our roundup of the best pipe wrench sets. Essential tools designed to provide strong grip, maximum torque, and reliable performance for plumbing, mechanical, and industrial tasks. Whether you're tightening or loosening threaded pipes, a high-quality pipe wrench set can make a huge difference in both efficiency and safety. Modern pipe wrench sets come with durable steel construction, adjustable jaws, and ergonomic handles to handle different pipe sizes with ease. Many sets also include multiple sizes for versatility and better control across different jobs. Choosing the right pipe wrench set can improve grip strength, reduce slipping, and make tough jobs much easier. Let's take a closer look at some of the best pipe wrench sets available right now. Starting with the Hurricane Pipe Wrench Set. This model is a great option for users looking for solid performance at an affordable price with dependable everyday usability and strong grip capability. It typically features heavy-duty forged steel construction that provides durability and long-lasting strength even under regular use. The adjustable jaws are designed to grip pipes securely, reducing slipping during tough plumbing or mechanical work. Many sets include multiple sizes, allowing users to handle a variety of pipe diameters without switching tools frequently. The ergonomic handle design ensures comfortable use during extended tasks without causing hand fatigue or discomfort. Users appreciate its simple design and reliable functionality for home and light professional use. Additionally, it delivers consistent gripping performance and dependable results. It also improves control, enhances durability, and supports a wide range of pipe-related tasks. Next up is the Keratin Pipe Wrench Set, a versatile and dependable option designed for handling different pipe sizes with stable and consistent performance. This set typically includes multiple wrench sizes, making it suitable for both small household jobs and larger plumbing tasks. It often features drop-forged steel jaws that provide strong bite force and improved resistance to wear over time. The adjustable mechanism allows quick and easy jaw positioning, helping users work more efficiently without wasting time. Many users appreciate its balanced weight and solid grip, which makes it easier to apply torque without slipping. The handles are designed for comfort and control, even during heavy-duty applications. Additionally, it provides steady performance and reliable results across different working conditions. It also improves versatility, enhances grip strength, and supports multi-purpose use. Moving on to the Rigid 31010 Pipe Wrench Set. This model is known for its professional-grade quality and trusted performance in demanding work environments. It typically features high-strength cast iron or alloy steel construction, designed to withstand heavy-duty use in plumbing and industrial applications. The hardened teeth provide excellent grip on pipes, ensuring secure handling even when dealing with stubborn or tightly fitted connections. Rigid tools are widely respected for their durability and precision, making this set a favorite among professionals. Many versions include easy-to-adjust jaws that allow for quick changes in pipe size without losing efficiency. Users appreciate its long-lasting build and ability to handle tough jobs consistently. Additionally, it delivers reliable performance and strong torque output. It also enhances durability, improves precision, and supports professional-level work. Stepping up in performance, the Duratec Pipe Wrench Set offers a great balance of strength, lightweight design, and advanced usability for a variety of tasks. This model often features aluminum construction, which makes it significantly lighter while still maintaining high durability and strength. According to user discussions, some models can be up to 40% lighter than traditional steel wrenches, reducing fatigue during extended use. It also includes drop-forged jaws with strong gripping teeth that ensure secure handling and prevent slipping during operation. The ergonomic handle design provides better comfort and control, especially when working in tight or overhead spaces. Many users appreciate its combination of strength and reduced weight for easier handling. Additionally, it delivers efficient performance and consistent results across different applications. It also improves usability, enhances comfort, and supports extended working sessions. Taking the top spot is the MaxPower Pipe Wrench Set, a highly advanced and reliable option designed for maximum strength, durability, and professional-grade performance in all types of pipe work. This model typically features heavy-duty ductile cast iron construction combined with hardened steel jaws for superior grip and long-term reliability. The adjustable jaw mechanism allows precise control over different pipe sizes, ensuring secure and accurate handling in every situation. Many versions include multiple wrench sizes, making it a complete solution for both home and professional use. Users appreciate its robust build quality and ability to handle heavy-duty tasks without bending or slipping. Additionally, it delivers powerful gripping force and consistent performance even under high pressure. It also stands out for its durability, advanced construction, and overall value. All of these pipe wrench sets serve different needs depending on features, build quality, and usage. The Hurricane set offers reliable performance at a great value. The Keratin set provides versatile and balanced functionality. The Rigid set delivers professional-grade durability and trusted performance. The Duratec set offers lightweight strength and improved comfort. And the Max Power set stands out as the most durable and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best pipe wrench sets, from simple everyday tools to advanced professional-grade sets designed for maximum performance. Whether you're working on home plumbing, industrial repairs, or heavy-duty projects, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and handle your toughest pipe jobs with the right pipe wrench set.